Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 16th June 2021. Essence. Sweet children, you have the limitless treasure of the imperishable jewels of knowledge. Donate them. No one should go away from your door empty-handed. Question. What Srimad does the Father, who is the saccharine of all relationships, give his children? Answer. Sweet children, remove your intellect's yoga from everyone else and continue to remember me alone. Nothing of this world, no friends or relatives should be remembered, because everything at this time causes sorrow. In order to become a master of the world, you definitely have to make effort to settle your karmic accounts of 63 births. Forget everything and become bodiless, for only then will your accounts be settled. I am the saccharine of all relationships. The essence for dharana is: point number 1. Imbibe the limitless treasure of knowledge that the Father is giving you and make yourself wealthy. Also donate them to everyone. Fill the aprons of whoever comes to you. Point number 2. Only by having remembrance of the Father will there be benefit. Therefore, whilst walking and moving around, stay in remembrance of the Father as much as possible. Experience the sweetness of all relationships with just the one Father. Today's blessing is: may you do tapasya while keeping the knowledge of the whole tree in your awareness as a true tapasvi and server. Again, may you do tapasya while keeping the knowledge of the whole tree in your awareness as a true tapasvi and server. On the path of devotion, they show a tapasvi sitting under a tree doing tapasya. There is significance in this too. The residence of you children is in the roots of the kalpa tree of the world. By sitting beneath the tree, you automatically have the knowledge of the whole tree in your intellect. So, keep the knowledge of the whole tree in your awareness and see the tree as a detached observer. By doing this, you will have intoxication and happiness, and your battery will also be charged. Then, when you do service, you will also do tapasya at the same time. Slogan: illness of the body is not a big thing, but never let your mind become ill. Again, illness of the body is not a big thing, but never let your mind become ill. Om Shanti.